Google Cloud Digital Leader Certification question. What can be done to boost the processing performance for a financial services company's experimental application workload, which involves a significant number of mathematical calculations using floating point numbers? A. Opt for a compute-optimized machine family instead of a general-purpose machine family. B. To ensure fast processing, utilize a fast local SSD for reading and writing data to the disk. C. For number crunching, GPUs should be attached to the virtual machine. D. Consider using a serverless option like Cloud Functions that will automatically scale based on requirements. Correct answer, C. For number crunching, GPUs should be attached to the virtual machine. Explanation. Compute Engine offers the option to enhance virtual machines with graphics processing units, which can significantly accelerate specific tasks such as machine learning and data processing. While compute-optimized machines primarily utilize CPUs for general computing tasks, GPUs are designed to excel in number crunching operations. In most cases, the compute-intensive workload is expected to heavily rely on in-memory operations, with disk usage playing a secondary role. When it comes to Cloud Functions, which are intended for general-purpose applications, they operate on CPUs and do not provide the option to utilize GPUs. Keywords. A key: boost the processing performance. Indicates the need for enhanced computational power or optimization. Financial services company's experimental application workload provides context about the industry and the nature of the workload. Significant number of mathematical calculations points to the computationally intensive tasks that the application needs to handle. Using floating point numbers specifies the nature of the calculations, implying the need for specialized hardware that excels in such computations. Subscribe and follow us.